Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to automatically move and mute inactive members in your Discord server after just 1 minute of inactivity. This updated method is quick, simple, and works perfectly with the latest Discord interface, so let's jump right in. First, open your Discord app on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're in, head to the server where you want to set up inactivity controls. At the very top of the screen, tap your server's name. This opens a small menu with several options. From there, choose Settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll find many options for customizing your server, but for this setup, we'll focus on the overview section. Tap on overview to open your main server settings page. Scroll down until you see the inactive channel option. This feature allows you to decide which voice channel inactive members will be moved to after being idle for a certain period of time. Tap on it and then select the channel you want to use as your inactive space. Ideally, this should be a dedicated, quiet channel where members can be automatically moved after they've gone silent. Next, look for Inactive Timeout. This setting determines how long a member must be idle before Discord moves them to the inactive channel. By default, it might be set to a longer time, but you can tap it and change it to 1 minute. This means that if someone in a voice channel stops speaking or goes inactive for 60 seconds, Discord will automatically move and mute them in your designated inactive channel. After you finish setting the timeout, make sure to save your changes. You're all set. From now on, Discord will manage inactivity automatically, keeping your voice channels organized and free from idle users.